When I was a little child, my mom liked to make breakfast food for dinner every now and then. And I remember one night in particular, when she had made breakfast after a long, hard day at work. On that evening, so long ago, my mom placed a plate of eggs, sausage, and extremely burned biscuits in front of my dad. I remember waiting to see if anyone noticed. Yet all my dad did was reach for his biscuit, smile at my mom, and ask me how my day was at school. I don't remember what I told him that night, but I do remember watching him smear butter and jelly on that biscuit and eat every bite. When I got up from the table that evening, I remember hearing my mom apologize to my dad for burning the biscuits. And I'll never forget what he said, "Baby, I love burned biscuits." Later that night, I went to kiss Daddy goodnight and I asked him if he really liked his biscuits burned. He wrapped me in his arms and said, "Your mom put in a hard day at work today, and she's real tired. And besides, a little burned biscuit never hurt anyone. You know, life is full of imperfect things and imperfect people. I'm not the best housekeeper or cook." What I've learned over the years is that learning to accept each other's faults and choosing to celebrate each other's differences is one of the most important keys to creating a healthy, growing, and lasting relationship. And that's my prayer for you today. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.